Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Z and you're watching Lifing with Z. As you can see, we have a new background, we have a mic, so hopefully better audio. And let me know how do you like the video quality, because apparently I am using my iPhone for the audio and the mobile I am using for the camera is an Android one. And like obviously iPhone के मुकाबले Android की जो video quality होती है is not that good. So let me know how do you like this one. So a lot of you wanted to see my makeup routine. Like I don't really have a makeup routine and मैं जो मेकअप करती हूँ वो भी लाइक काफ़ी बेसिक होता है बट a lot of you wanted to see it, so I thought let's give it a shot. So here we are. So I'll be showing you my daily makeup routine. Like this is the makeup routine I used to have for my college days. So let's get started. So right now I just have a bare face, and if you feel that it looks oily, that's because I have a sunscreen on. I literally have like 3 or 4 steps in my routine, that's all. I don't use anything else. So first I'll start with a compact powder, this one. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me, and in case you are wondering, I am in the shade
One eternity later.
I can't find the shade name. That's weird.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Light Ivory. This one is called Light Ivory. So first I'll just mattify my face. Also I don't use primer or setting sprays for my daily makeup routine. I use a little extra on my eyelids because apparently my eyelids are like very dark somehow, I don't know why. So back in my college days I used to use this kajal. This one is by Maybelline and it's the black one, but recently I have switched to using a brown kajal. So today also I'll be using this one only. So apparently my eyes like really tear a lot. I don't know why, but and it just takes away the kajal. So what I do is I go on with a little bit of eyeshadow above the kajal so that it stays in place. I obviously generally use the black one, but I have brown kajal on, so I'll go on with the brown one. That way the kajal just mattifies, so it's like long lasting. I'm done with the kajal. I also like to highlight a little bit, so I'll use this same eyeshadow palette. And I'll use this goldeny shade, this one, and use it as a highlighter. I like to highlight my cupid's bow. In the corners of my eyes, like just a little bit, and then whatever's left on my fingers I'll just use it on my nose. And we are on the last step already. Yeah, like the last thing is lipstick. And for lipstick I generally wear lipstick according to my clothes and according to my hijab. This is just like Maybelline ka baby lips. Also, in case you are wondering, this one is in the shade Highline Wine. You can't see it. Also, I'll link all the products in the description box so you can go and check it out. So what I do sometimes, like literally just sometimes, I take the lipstick, whatever lipstick I am wearing, I take some of it on my fingers and I just pat it on my cheeks for a little blush. I know this is not a everyday step. I like sometimes do it only where I feel like I'm looking like really pale. And yes, I'll blend it with my fingers because and we are done. Yeah, that's literally it. So let me know how did you like this makeup routine. Also let me know if you like to see more of these kind of makeup routines. Like this is the basic thing I do, but if you want something more, let me know. Let me know how did you like the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Until then, don't forget to be glowing and growing your way through life. Thank you.